Hi guys, it's me, and today I made a skit. At the end, I will show you a guaranteed way to get rid of the hiccups, so keep watching. Now for the skit.
Hey guys.
Good, we were just waiting for you.
Thanks. For what?
We were just about to play football.
Cool, what are the teams?
You have the hiccups.
How? Hiccups are so annoying.
Do you guys want to find out how to get rid of hiccups, or do you guys want to play?
I'll play. It can't be that bad. Bad.
Okay, let's play. You know what? Let's just research on how to get rid of the hiccups.
Fine. I'll go get my phone.
Okay.
So, anyone have any ideas?
Do you have a paper bag?
Yeah. Why?
Blow into one, sometimes it helps.
Okay. Huh. That gave me air.
Good, but did it get rid of hiccups?
I think so.
Ugh.
I don't know. I'm just gonna try water. It normally helps, so I can go get some. Yeah, I was really dehydrated. It still didn't work.
Here.
Be right back.
Ah, done. I'm back. Try holding. It helps sometimes.
Okay,
Well, did it work?
I doubt it. Nothing's working. Can we find more ways to get rid of the hiccups?
Sure.
Peanut butter helps. I'll pass.
Oh, water helps.
I already tried that. Ah! Jeez! Why?
Scaring helps sometimes, but not this time.
It made them worse.
Oops.
Where have you been?
Nowhere.
Do you have any ideas? Nothing's working.
Try water again. It might work this time.
Chigu, it didn't work the last time. What makes you think it's gonna work this time?
Try.
Nothing's gonna work. See? Nothing happened. Whoa.
What?
I just got this burst of energy. I think my hiccups are gone. Yes! 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 Yes!
What the research is over?
I can go get something.
Okay.
Okay. Hey guys.
Good. We were just waiting for you.
Thanks. For what?
We were just about to play football.
Cool, what are the teams?
You have the hiccups.
Ow! Hiccups are so annoying!
Okay, like I said in the intro, I'm gonna show you an actual way to get rid of your hiccups. So keep watching. Okay, time for the demonstration. First, get your water and then drink a mouthful. Once you have that, raise your head up and drink slowly in 3 sips. 1, 2, 3. Okay. If that still doesn't work, you can just do it another time. And it will guaranteed work. So do the same thing. Drink a mouthful. 1, 2, 3. And then bam, it should work. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a fat thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!